Let's take you back out to our Austonian weather camera, which has been going in and out as far as visibility goes, because we've got a lot of low clouds, lots of moisture, drizzle, sprinkles, showers, and oh yeah, there's a very strong cold front marching through the hill country now that will be soon into the metro. And what a way to look at Texas right now. We've got 80s in Laredo, 8 degrees in Amarillo. We're right now here, not quite in the middle temperature-wise, but at 59. However, this cold front is within about an hour or two from getting into the Austin metro. You can see here at 5, the gusts will start to pick up as between about 5 and 6. That front gets into Austin. The wind gusts will be the sign that the front arrives for you. Out ahead of the front, there's basically very light wind. So once the wind picks up, that front is there, and you'll be feeling that temperature turn cold pretty quickly. Gusts up to 30, perhaps as high as 40 miles per hour are possible this evening and overnight. You can see by 7, 8 o'clock that front has impacted all of our 15 county viewing area here, and then it just stays windy and gets colder and colder through the night, and some of those gusts again approach 40 miles per hour. Localized power outages possible tonight. Not the grid variety necessarily, but more of the local branch falling on power line variety that could lead to power outages where you are. So just bear that in mind here as you charge up your devices before bed tonight. It is still going to be windy tomorrow morning. The wind gusts will slowly subside as we get into tomorrow afternoon. And those winds, of course, part of the story because it will be driving in the cold, which I'll show you here in a second. As a result of the wind, though, we've got wind advisories beginning at midnight through midday tomorrow for Travis and Hayes counties, Blanco County, most of our eastern counties, with the exception of Lee and Milam County. All right, now let's talk about the temperature being driven in by the wind, and those temperatures dropping soon after 5 p.m. in Austin. Already chillier air in Georgetown by then. I think the front gets to you in Georgetown by about 4:30, 4:45 here today, and you can see it's fully impacting the majority of the hill country by 5. And then the front continues to dive south, quickly dropping our temperatures from the low 60s in the metro to the low 40s by 7. And then the numbers keep going down. We think that by about 9:30, 10, we're near freezing in Austin. Widespread freeze already in the hill country by 9:30 or 10. We're below freezing by midnight in Austin. And then these are the numbers we start with tomorrow morning. All of us below freezing. And then we don't climb much tomorrow, only into the middle and upper 30s. But yes, we do get above freezing tomorrow. On top of that, there's the prefrontal rain we're dealing with now in the metro. We think that as the front approaches and moves through, it's going to put an end to the rain, which is good because we've got sub-freezing temperatures on the way. If there's any standing water, though, late evening and overnight, especially in shaded areas that won't feel the drying winds, we could get some icy spots here tomorrow morning. Should be very limited, though. Morning clouds slowly giving way to afternoon sun here tomorrow. So your forecast tonight, showers end, dropping down to 25, windy and much colder, gusts up to 40. And it's going to feel colder than the air temperature will read. Wind chills between 5 and 20 for the Austin metro and most of our eastern counties where we've got cold weather advisories. But the wind chills down to near 0 in spots in the hill country means that you qualify for an extreme cold warning from midnight tonight through noon tomorrow in most of the hill country. Then our day tomorrow, windy and cold, clouds giving way to afternoon sun. 37 the high, but it's going to feel like it's below freezing all day. Then we've got another frigid morning Thursday morning. The air temperature Thursday morning will actually be lower, but we'll climb our way up to 39. Friday, a chance of some light rain showers later in the day. We'll have to watch that closely just in case the light rain comes in before the temperatures are all above freezing. Saturday, 30% rain chances. We're up to 45. Sunday's a completely different day, mid-60s and sun. And then look, Monday and Tuesday, mid to upper 70s. So we wish this wintry weather goodbye by early next week.